CDO to Siargao DIY on a budget travel guide. Hi everyone, I am Cess and I will be sharing with you guys our overall expenses going to Siargao. Starting from Agora Terminal, we paid 5 pesos for the terminal fee. And upon entering, on your left side, you will see the CDO to Butuan bus and CDO to Surigao bus. You actually have two options. It's either you get the CDO to Butuan bus, it's like a connected trip from CDO to Butuan, and from there you need to ride another bus going to Surigao. But for us, we got the CDO to Surigao for a fast and hassle-free trip. Anyways, their regular bus fare is only for 770, but if you are a student, it only costs 615 pesos. So if you're still a student, I suggest to bring your ID with you for a discount. Time check, it's already 9:43 p.m. and we're off to Surigao. So tips lang guys, if you're planning to go to Siargao, ang inyong i-budget sa inyong transpo is always the regular fee. Kaya I saw comments on my TikTok account na ang giasa sila na amount is 770 even though SP na sila. And tips na lang po, if you are traveling, be friendly good. I-friend gud ninyo ang conductor for a better discount. Kaya in our case, ako rin nakadala og ID, but since tabian si Chinika, gi-friend niya ang conductor naka-SP pod siya. And if you are first time to travel this far, don't hesitate to ask yun para dili mo mawala. So we're now in Butuan. Sila na lang hours.
2 to 3 hours na.
Ha?
2 to 3 hours.
2 to 3 hours na. So we finally arrived in Surigao Terminal. It only took us 7 hours from CDO to Surigao. And from Surigao Terminal, we need to ride Rela going to Surigao Port. So every Rela, ilang pangaya is 300 pesos, and for 5 packs, we only paid 60 pesos per head. Time check, it's already 5 in the morning, and we're catching the first trip from Surigao to Dapa Port. So ang first trip papuntang Dapa Port is 5 in the morning. And since it's a long weekend, hangin na lang amo ang naapsan. And yup, we didn't make it the 5 a.m. trip, so we had no choice but to get the 11:30. So this is their price range, 500 for mabuhay, 450 for business class, and 400 for economy. And now we need to pay another terminal fee. And I'm telling you guys, student ID is a lifesaver good. For the terminal fee, you need to pay 30 pesos, but if you have student ID, you are exempted na. And since we didn't make it to 5 a.m. trip, we had to wait until 11:30 for our departure time. Anyways guys, I forgot to tell you that you can use your student ID also for discounts sa barge. And since we are running out of time, wala na ko nakaas og discount sa kuha. So if you're planning to get the 5 a.m. trip, you should go early, at least 6 to 7 p.m. Since we had to wait 6 hours, we just ate outside. But they also have food here sulod sa terminal. Finally, we're boarding. For our shipping lines, we got the GP shipping lines, business class type for 450 pesos. This is how it's look like. Naa siya sa downstairs guys. It has a TV, comfortable seat, aircon, and common CR. Though it's already air-conditioned, but it's super hot gyapon. So I suggest better get the mabuhay type since 50 pesos ra gyapon ang ilahang difference. By the way, this is economy. Nasa sa upper deck and you will see the beautiful view. I didn't have clips sa mabuhay, but it's basically the same sa business type, pero mas bugnaw and mas nice ang view. And finally, we just arrived in Dapa. And now we are heading sa among gipa-reserve na motor. And yes, we rented a motorbike for easier transpo. But if you don't know how to ride a bike, there's a rella in front of the port. For motor rental, it only costs $350 per day. And for the requirements, they only ask for ID. And if you're gonna ask how much ilang gastan last August 2023, naasa 70 plus ilahang gas. But guys, you don't have to worry. Kaya naka full tank na daan ang ilahang mga motor, and you only need to do kay iuli ang motor nga naka full tank yapon. And mind you guys, ang among total ra nga nagastos sa gas is 353 for 4 days and 3 nights sa Siargao. So we're now going sa among stayhan, and nalagit siya sa Santa Cruz. So medyo layo-layo pa siya gamay. It will took us 20 to 30 minutes from the port to Santa Cruz. And since we rented the motor, mas nakasave me sa mo ang transpo. Wow, it's so nice! Finally, we arrive here in Bosque Homestay. This is Bosque Homestay, you all. It's located sa Santa Cruz, 8 to 10 minutes far from Tourism Road. And this is how the room looks like. It has air condition, TV, and own CR. The room rate is only for 1,000 pesos for 2 packs. But since we are 5, we just add 200 pesos for extra bed. What I love about Bosque Homestay, guys, is they have common kitchen where we can cook our food. We can use all the kitchen stuffs. We have our own rice cooker, free use of ref and washing machine, and lastly, free Wi-Fi. If you're looking for affordable and nice accommodation in Siargao, I highly suggest Bosque Homestay. So that's it, guys. I hope this video will help you on your trip to Siargao. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys on my next vlog. Bye!